Having a strong mindset is essential to achieving success in all areas of life. It allows you to overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. In this video, we will be discussing the steps you can take to develop and maintain a strong mindset. A strong mindset involves several key components. First, it requires positive thinking. This means focusing on the good in any situation, rather than dwelling on the negative. It also means having a growth mindset, which is the belief that you can improve and develop your abilities through effort and practice. Another important component of a strong mindset is self-discipline. This means having the willpower to stick to your goals and make the necessary sacrifices to achieve them. It also means being consistent in your actions, rather than giving up at the first sign of difficulty. In addition to positive thinking and self-discipline, a strong mindset also requires resilience. This means having the ability to bounce back from failure and setbacks. It also means being able to handle stress and difficult situations without letting them overwhelm you. You can also develop and maintain a strong mindset through self-reflection. Take time each day to reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Identify any negative patterns or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back, and work to replace them with positive and empowering ones. Another way to develop a strong mindset is through meditation and mindfulness practices. These can help you quiet your mind, focus on the present moment, and develop greater self-awareness. Finally, a strong mindset requires setting and achieving goals. This means having a clear vision of what you want to achieve, and taking the necessary steps to make it happen. Remember to celebrate your successes along the way, and use them as motivation to continue pushing forward. Developing and maintaining a strong mindset takes time and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. Remember, a strong mindset is not something you are born with, it is something you can develop with practice. So start today, and watch as you begin to achieve greater success and fulfillment in all areas of your life.